hello to Red Aspen Nail Dashes. Red Aspen Nail Dashes are the perfect at-home press-on mani that come in endless shapes, lengths, and colors. Nail dashes are trendy, easy to apply, and won't damage your natural nails. To apply the perfect at-home salon-quality mani, begin by opening the nail dash box. Included in every box is a nail glue, a dual-sided mini nail file, a wooden cuticle stick, and 24 to 30 nail dashes. First, identify the nail dash size located under the tip of the dash. Find the best fit for each fingernail and organize your dashes in front of you. Be sure each dash fully covers your natural nail. Once you've selected your sizes, you can save the remainder of the nails in their original box. The second step to achieving a flawless red aspen manicure is prepping your natural nails. First, clip your natural nails so they're shorter than the nail dash you're applying. Next, use the wooden cuticle stick to gently push back your cuticles. Using the blue coarse side of the file, gently buff the tops of your natural nails to create a textured surface. This ensures stronger adhesion. After buffing the nail, clean and remove oils from the nail with rubbing alcohol or a disinfecting wipe. A clean surface means longer dash wear. Now it's time to apply your dashes. Begin by applying a thin and even layer of brush-on nail glue or the provided glue from the box to your natural nail. Press the properly sized dash to your nail, beginning at the base of the cuticle and pressing firmly for up to 30 seconds. Repeat this process for the remainder of your nails. The great thing about our press-ons is they can be worn for short and long periods of time. For shorter wears, apply a thin layer of glue to the back of the nail dash instead of your natural nail. For up to 2 weeks of wear, apply nail dash glue to both your natural nail and the back of the nail dash. Press firmly to create a solid hold. It may take up to 30 seconds to dry. You can also use this technique for nails you use the most, like your index fingers and thumbs. Once you've applied all 10 of your nail dashes, use your mini nail file to achieve your desired length and shape. After this step, you're all done. In just minutes, you've achieved a trendy, salon-quality mani at a fraction of the price. Nail dashes are the perfect finishing touch to your beauty look, and with so many designs to choose from, they're the best way to express your own personal style.